How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to customize and take your phone's lock screen to the next level. Samsung recently pushed out a brand new update to the GoodLock module, and now we can actually add widgets to our lock screen with the help of GoodLock application. If you really want to change your boring looking lock screen and make it look beautiful like this, then stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, first things first, you're gonna need the GoodLock application. So in case you don't have GoodLock installed in your phone, then just head over to the Galaxy store and search GoodLock. It's a free application and I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description below. Now once you install GoodLock, simply open the app and here you will see a list of all different modules. In order to customize your lock screen, you're gonna need only two modules. One is the lock star and the other one is called clock face. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to open clock face, select lock screen, and here you need to completely remove the default clock so we can only place a custom widget on the lock screen. Just delete the system clock, tap on this plus icon and select image. Now click on gallery and select any transparent image. If you don't have it, you can just download it from the description below. Once done, finally click on save and then tap on apply. Now we have completely removed the default clock, and the next thing we're gonna do is we will add a custom widget to the lock screen. So just go to lock star, select lock screen, simply tap on it and you will get a brand new option that says add widget. Just select that and choose Kwgt from the list. You can then increase or decrease the size or change its position as per your requirement. Once that is done, simply go ahead and click on save. Now when you lock your phone, you will get an option to add any custom widget directly from here. Just click on it and unlock your phone. Now you can add any widget onto your lock screen, and if you really want to replicate my lock screen setup, then you can use this pack called Outline Kwgt, which is completely free, and the widget that I'm currently using is the widget number 124. So just go ahead and apply this widget to your lock screen. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link to this beautiful wallpaper in the description below. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can customize your Samsung's lock screen to the next level. All you need to do is just update the Lockstar module and then start applying these amazing widgets onto your lock screen. If you still face any issue, then let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.